Hi guys, welcome back. We're looking at the DAX 40 or the GR 40 hourly chart. And in previous videos, I've been mentioning that 300 being a major support level that DAX has been trying to get over. As you can see, it has been testing that level, support level, trying to get above that. It was successful on Friday, but then it failed back down. Okay, so that was a failed breakout, and since then it has sold off to the 100 level. All right, so word on what these white and red lines are. The red lines are your resistances. These are GANN angles derived from GANN angles. um, we have resistances emanating from the 400 high right here. We have support lines emanating from the S1 and S2 levels. And since we are trading between them, that's why I picked these levels, because we want to get above 300 and go towards the 500, breaking this resistance. But so far, the market has been sideways, kind of between these two support levels. Okay, and today we finally broken the second support here. Okay, and we have been testing this resistance line and failing it. We DAX has been rejected, and this is 2 hours in a row. Let's see how this hour closes. But if we fail again, I suspect that DAX might then test the 14,050 level sometime today. All right, guys. In the event we get above this resistance, then most definitely DAX would try to get into this rising wedge kind of shape right here, which is at 250, 240, and with a target of 300. All right. So it's quite straightforward. We're looking at a downside of 14,050 and an upside of 300 for the day, depending on how the DAX trades, how these resistances and supports are handled. All right. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section, guys, and I'll get back to you. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel to keep up to date with the daily trading levels and the index range. And good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.